How to enable or disable dictation on the Apple Watch 9. First, let's return back to the clock face by pressing on the crown button on the side. From the clock face, press on the crown button again. That will take you to the app screen. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down and tap on general. Now scroll down, and in here, tap on dictation. Then tap on dictation toggle button to turn off dictation. Now scroll down. Now I'll give you some information here. The information dictation uses to respond to your request is also used for Siri and will remain on Apple servers unless Siri is also turned off. So tap on the turn off dictation button to switch it off. Otherwise, if you want to use dictation to type, then you can switch it on. And then go down and tap on enable dictation. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or press on the crown button to return to your clock face. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Now on your iPhone, you can also do the same thing. So on the iPhone here, if you open up the watch app, then tap on my watch at the bottom. Next, in here, tap on general. And then we scroll down and tap on enable dictation to turn it off, or you can switch it on. When you turn it off here, it will also switch it off on your Apple Watch, so it will sync to the Apple Watch. And here you can say switch off. If I turn it on, it will also turn on down here as well. And that's it. Thank you for watching.